Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are living definitely amazing. So today's video is all about how to spend our life in quarantine. That is very essential topic for us. So here we go. So first of all we have that bodybuilding. So bodybuilding is on the top, but it doesn't mean we always do exercise. We get bored during exercise, just exercise. So we need more activities. So we should have like birds, cats, dogs. So our next option is if you are animal lover, if you love with the animals, so you can do gossip with them. And our next option is bird lover. If you have too many birds, like we have too many birds, spend your precious time with them and you can share your feelings with them. And you know, we have a filmmaker. They can do many things from their house, like they can make a time lapse and many more creative things if they are creative. Creativity makes everything possible. So another tremendous option is planting. Do planting wherever you get a chance. We can change this world by doing this, and we're supposed to do it. Planting is very important. And what is this? You know, this is called Pakistani jugaad. साले होते तो बहुत बड़े जुगाड़ी है. Yeah. So by this, water goes in the depth, and it is better, I guess. I don't know. I'm trying to grow it again. I put these seeds. Yeah. I don't know what will be growth. So guys, these are some of activities that I do personally. So in these days we can apply these all activities to spend our life and to make it precious. So I hope you all are loving this video. If you like this video, so do thumbs up and share with your families, friends and relatives as well. So I'll catch you guys another video, another travel vlog, if life will give me a chance. So take care, bye for now, Allah Hafiz.
गाड्डा हाई स्कूल छोकरा हो गया ससुरा पागल इका बेटर हो